dan di bawah mana ben dia pam soat untuk pam soat ini hak dikumum sudah normal nama kita kena makin yang isu ini kena kalau makin happen keren parlimen kena yo ban keren satya nama ka procedure hapo parlimen kadon dakaway kelenti omkom assembly.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for allowing me to raise a very important issue concerning the road construction that is currently taking place from Shillong to Dauki and the western bypass under the NHIDCL. Through you, Mrs. Chairperson, I would like to request the concerned minister to consider paying compensation to the farmers, then the homestay operators, store operators, whose livelihood have been greatly affected due to the unmindful dumping of debris along the streams, and this has affected, the paddy fields. It has affected the water source of many people who have been living, through depending on these natural resources. Yep. And therefore, I would request the concerned minister to consider some kind of compensation to these people, and at the same time to take stern action against those involved in such unmindful and selfish act by contractors in the name of development. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.
Bangai KHUBLEI kerpang MADUH PRESTONE, ILA beran buram jongi, Deputy CM jok JYLLA ke jongi, iba patu yang ke DCA Department bila singkia. Bonglat umliai ke jingnuja. Terbalik kan jumlah pencukuran bahan barang ni beli disenang scan demo, hapada ke konferensi ke jonga, orang ni ngai buram syapi tu NDC ke jongi, bakal ada sitam tapi mental awak tak sudah nekai. Kerana kampung bermani di benua kami, penjuha pencukuran kami. Wajib bakal ya setang kaktian ke jongi ke dia ke babiang, lengian kang ni berkerja ke jin sisa pai tak bayi. Orang ni bersisa ia lambaklah, nama bersisa ia lambaklah kadar ke jima sisa. Bayo papi perkat, bayo lesi, bau tau bang den, nak bangun item dari kejelah ke jongi. Nak tengah dong MP. Mana? Hana minta kiong belai, bagi pun kinong tu, balik ke sorkar, balik ke patu ke sorkar, kakemong ke sorkar balik itu, hendak ke sorkar le, kalau pergiang kadang ini mana papi, bangun tu resitam, hakani kejelah ke jongi ni le. Ni pun ke boleh sisau lah kerpui ni. Kaya itu bangin dan show.